What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best printer for greeting cards. There are a lot of reasons to use a printer. Printing a message or photos for mounting on a blank card is the quickest and easiest way to make a greeting card. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 printer for greeting cards. Number 1. Canon Pixma 96820 printer for greeting cards.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The printer has 5 individual ink tanks, with over 5,000 nozzles in the printer. The prints are very high detailed and high quality. This printer is compatible with most operating systems. From most Windows software to Mac OS. So you can easily connect it to your computer without any technical hassle. You can also connect it to cloud software for fast printing. Also, this printer uses Canon's unique air print system, which makes wireless printing easy and affordable. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2750 printer for greeting cards. If you want the best printer for printing invitations but don't want the hassle of wires and cartridges, we got you covered. Furthermore, this printer is one of the best economic options as well. It is recommended that you use authentic Epson ink for the prints. You can also use Wi-Fi Direct for a quick and easy print without having to worry about wires or clutter. This is one of the most convenient printers out there. You can easily connect it to Wi-Fi to print wirelessly. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035 printer for greeting cards. Are you planning to upgrade your office? Then it would be best if you started it by changing your old printer. You can complete your task very fast using this printer. This is the best wireless printer for Mac and PC. Another advantage of this printer is that it can organize the documents 50% faster than any other printers. This printer will allow you to print 20 pages per minute. You can also scan and copy your documents.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Number 4. Canon IP8720 printer for greeting cards.
Everything you know is in your mind.
If you plan on printing massive-sized cardstock invitations, we got you covered. The Canon IP8720 is a printer that can print up to 13 inches x 19 inches prints. This inkjet printer from Canon has a 6-color ink system. So the prints are top-notch and well-detailed. The printer ink comes in 3 droplet sizes, 1, 2, and 5. The large droplets are used in the color-dense areas to save ink wastage. The prints get an average of 9,600 into 2,400 dots of color per inch. Compatible with most Windows and Mac operating systems. Number 5. Brother HLL2395DW Printer for Greeting Cards. Presenting the HLL2395DW Flatbed Laser Printer from Brother, one of the most unique products on our list. The speed and efficiency of the printer are incredible. It can print up to 36 pages per minute. So printing and processing is no hassle at all. You can store papers of multiple types in the same drawer, and it'll adjust accordingly. In case you find the screen hard to use, the connection still is hassle-free. With NFC support, simply tap your phone, and the print will start.